Okay, so I am going to show you how to do a sample paragraph in the group discussion for your e-learning on Friday. So we're going to go to modules, and then we'll go down to e-learning Friday group discussion about cyberbullying. Okay. So the prompt says, should schools punish off-campus, sorry, I spelled that wrong, cyberbullying? Using evidence from the article on Canvas and the article you found, please write a well-written paragraph describing your side on the issue. Okay, so this format is going to be how I want your paragraphs to look. So I have created a paragraph, and we're going to follow the format. So the first thing is the topic sentence. And so I have to decide, do I agree or disagree with the topic? And so I'll start with schools. Sorry, I type really loud. I'm going to try not to type loud. Should not punish. Sorry, now takes a little bit longer to type when I'm doing it quietly. Schools should not punish off-campus cyberbullying. And then I give my reasoning as to why, because students' lives outside of school should not be monitored by school, whoops, too many O's, school officials. Okay, so that is my topic sentence. I believe that they should not punish off-campus cyberbullying, and then I gave my reasoning as to why. Okay, so then the next item is the lead-in, so the article name and the author. So in the article, and it goes in quotations in the article, should schools punish off-campus cyberbullying? Okay, so I gave the name of the article and the author, Edwin Yonka states, so that is my entire lead-in. I gave the article name and the author. States, and I'm taking the evidence directly from the article, so I'm putting that in quotations. There's a real risk that schools could end up punishing students for things they say online that may be inappropriate, but aren't necessarily cyberbullying. Okay, and so then I finish that quote with the quotation, and then I do the in-text citation, which will be the last name of the author, and then the page number that it was on, and then the period at the end. Okay, so that's my first piece of evidence. Now I'm going to explain it. Officials will not know where to stop with their policing of the internet. Okay, so that's what I think that is saying. So then when I go to my next piece of evidence, or my next lead-in, I say also, in the article, and this would be the article that you found, or that I found, court case for cyberbullying, Victor Torgerud states, okay, so that's my lead-in, and then I start with quotations because I'm taking it directly from the article. the First Amendment right is what every human in the United States is afforded. Okay, and then I put end quotation and my in-text citation, so the author's last name, Torrud, and the page number, and a period at the end. Okay, so then I explained that students should have the right to exercise the First Amendment just as every other citizen has the right. Okay, so that's my explanation of my second piece of evidence. And then finally, I'm going to bring in a conclusion. In conclusion, schools should not punish off-campus cyberbullying because they don't know where to stop the punishments. Okay, so that is my completed well-written paragraph. It's got each of these items in it, which I just explained. Okay, and then I am going to post this as an example to the board, and so I'll post reply, and that's what you'll need to do. You will want to go through and double check your spelling and grammar, and you can do that. These, it looks like these ones are just because they're last names that aren't well known, but it should have squiggly lines under it if it's spelled incorrectly, and you should double check that before you post your discussion. Okay, so that is the e-learning Friday group discussion. If you have any questions, please let me know.